first from the Valentine's palette, this light shade. So I did that under my brow, and now I'm gonna do February, this pink shade, as a base for my crease. Alright, I don't know what shimmer to use in the center. I'm deciding between Kinda Classy or Be Mine. I think Be Mine is calling my name. Now I'm gonna take the same brown, dark brown shaded mirror and just like go over the line and then blend this in down here. Alright, now I have the same colored mirror on my brush, and I already started making like a little bit of a liner. Alright, so I just line that a little bit. Alright, so now that I'm done with my eye, I'm just gonna wipe underneath, make sure there's nothing before I lay down my concealer. I'm just gonna follow the bottom of my eye and create a nice clean line. Alright, now I'm gonna use some of my concealer. I'm gonna use Birch and Gypsum today. I love this concealer. This is Birch. Alright, I have Birch all over, and I'm just gonna do a dot of Gypsum. Kind of have a lot of concealer on today, but alright, so here's the concealer up close, all blended in and powdered. And now I'm just gonna go back into Pink Problems, this like neutrally pink shade, and do my lower lash line. Alright, this is the concealer all blended in before I put some translucent powder on. And then I'm gonna go into this perfecting powder from my holiday collection. with a little flat brush. I love to use this to just like clean up little mistakes. All right, so I finished with my face. I am just baking a little while I do my lips. What set should I do? I think I'm gonna do the Forever set. So I have these cute little Valentines. They say to and from on the back. And you open them up like this. So first I'm gonna use the lip liner Forever and Always. I love these cute little pink lip liners. So this is the look just using the matte lip in this, but I think I'm gonna do this gloss, show you guys how the gloss looks on top. This one's called Story of Us. This is the gloss on top of this look, but I wanna know what you guys like. Gloss with this look on top or no gloss? Alright, so I will be keeping the gloss on. I just have to reapply because I just had a snack and ate it all off. But this is the look in different lighting. You can kind of see the eye better. Okay. Bye guys. It was fun. Maybe I'll do a tutorial tomorrow. Another one. Maybe something with more color.